Today we are going to talk about the taxation of intercompany dividends. Imagine you are the shareholder of a corporation. Under the separation principle, corporate profits are first taxed at the level of the corporation. If the corporation decides to distribute the profits, you as the shareholder are liable to taxes on the dividends. Thus, the corporation's profits are taxed a second time. Let's take a broader perspective and focus on corporate group structures. Imagine the corporation is not a standalone entity but conducts its business through subsidiaries. Each subsidiary is liable to corporate income tax on its profits. The after-tax profits of the subsidiaries are first distributed to the next shareholder, the parent corporation. These intercompany dividends are again subject to corporate income tax at the level of the parent corporation. Finally, if the parent corporation distributes these profits to you as the ultimate shareholder, the dividends are taxed with personal income tax. As a consequence, such corporate group structures result in multiple taxation of the same profits with corporate income tax. To avoid a continuous reduction of distributed profits, the participation privilege relieves the taxation of intercompany dividends received by a corporate shareholder. The participation privilege can either be implemented via the exemption or the credit method. Under the exemption method, the dividend income is not included in the tax base of the corporate shareholder. Under the credit method, which is less common, the corporate taxes paid at the subsidiary level can be credited against the tax liability of the corporate shareholder, thus lowering its tax liability. Some countries apply limitations to the participation privilege. For instance, the participation privilege can require a minimum shareholding, or a minimum holding period. Sometimes other country-specific restrictions can apply. Hence, neither method assures the full mitigation of double taxation but rather just reduces it. To summarize, the participation privilege is a tax relief system to avoid multiple taxation of the same profits with corporate income tax in corporate group structures. Thus, it should ensure that corporate profits are only taxed twice according to the separation principle, once at the corporate and once at the ultimate shareholder level. This can be achieved by applying either the exemption or the credit method. Different corporate tax systems can be implemented to reduce double taxation at the level of the ultimate shareholder. This will be explained in other videos.